Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be working on the Marty McFly truck. The KC lights in the front grill guard, as you can see up there, are giving me fits. They won't stay tight, so we are going to use a rivet nut tool to put some nuts in there so we can get them nice and tight. So stick with me here and we're going to go over the rivet tool that I purchased off Amazon and show you the process of putting one of those things in.
Guys, we are going to unbox the rivet nut tool that I got off of Amazon. As we had just discussed, I'm going to be using this to put some rivet nuts in the front bumper of the Toyota pickup. We're having issues with the way I have it, tightening the nuts into the bumper. It keeps loosening on me, so I want to take care of this once and for all. And I saw a guy on the Facebook Marty McFly truck page that had mentioned that he used a rivet nut tool, and I had never even heard of a rivet nut tool before, so we're learning something new today. So it sounds like this might be the winner. So let's unbox this thing, see what we get in the rivet nut tool. As you can see there, Wetols, W-E-T-O-L-S is the brand name, WE882 is the model, and it comes with these different size rivet nuts for us to use. So, quarters, M8s, M6. We got some big guys. M10s. I thought I was going to need the M10s, but maybe the M8. We'll see once we get the bumper off which one we're going to use. 5/16 might be alright too. We'll see. So we've got a lot of nuts to choose from, so that's nice. We don't need to go get those. Nice little case here. Oh, get it the right way. Even has an instruction manual, guys. So see if we cannot mess this up. There. So it's got the little adapters for each size. So that's a quarter inch there, and it's got all of the different ones: 5/16, 3/8, M6, M10, M8. So should have everything we need. There is the tool. Hopefully this works. Alright guys, let's go get the bumper off the Toyota pickup, and then we will see which size nut we're going to use. Alright, so I'm going to drill out the other hole and do the other one here, and we'll bring you guys along for this one so you can see it. Okay. Okay. Just like that. And in case you were wondering, this is a 23/64 drill bit, and that's good enough for the 1/4x20 rivet nuts. We're just putting it on here like so. Just like that. In the hole it goes. Stuff on that. That's one. Then we adjusted this guy again, remember? Get some more pressure. Oh yeah. Feel it getting tight there. Okay. We'll take it out and see if that's tight enough on that one. Put my
so much better. Huh. Well, that's the process of using this fancy little rivet nut tool. Glad I have that in the toolbox now, so next time we need to do something like this, we'll be prepared. But I'm going to go ahead and mount these lights back up with these new bolts, and we'll show you the finished product. There we go. Okay, so we got it close here. I'll use the wrench. Oh, you can crank on them now. Nice and tight with that lock washer. That's what we wanted, guys. I don't think they're gonna move now. Oh yeah, those are super tight. Let's check and see what it looks like from the front. Boom. That'll work. Now I don't have to worry about wobbly fog lights anymore, guys. We'll get her all put back on the truck here, and we'll be good to go. So, thanks for watching, guys. You guys probably already knew what a rivet tool was. A rivet nut tool. So I'll have a link in the description for the tool that I had purchased off of Amazon. So yeah, in case you guys are looking for a rivet tool, I think it was like $45. Plus it came with all those nuts already. So it'll be a good investment for 45 bucks. We'll have it on hand for next time if we need one. So thanks for watching again, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a good one.